This is Randy Snider for Fly, and today we're going to look at how to create a custom arrangement of a song. You may have the same song appearing twice in your set, and you want one of them to be a little different. Maybe it's a reprise at the end of the service. I've selected the song Dwell. Here it is in the top row. We're going to go to the fourth button. It's called Arrange, and select it. And in here, we're going to make a custom arrangement of the order of the verses, choruses, everything. So the first thing I'll do is I'll insert the count in and the intro. But instead of going directly into the chorus, I want to start with the verse and then go to the chorus and the verse again. And I'll just continue throughout the rest of the song as per normal. Again, anything you do here can continue. I'm going to save the arrangement right here. I'm going to call it Dwell, verse first. All right. I'm going to close this section. Normally you could test this. You can test it right now. To save time, I'm going to just close it and show you that we're going to, I'm going to put the customized version on the second time Dwell appears. I'm going to save this set. And I'm going to use this set. Now then, when we're on the first song, the screen looks normal. When we go to the second version of this song, this box gets populated with the new order to remind you of what's happening. I'll play it. It's going to jump after the intro. I'm just going to stop it there and point out a couple of things. First of all, when it jumped, when this came up, this custom arrangement thing begins to light up to let you know you're not in a normal verse order. The reason that that's really useful is sometimes at the bottom of our words that we see, we'll type in the next section, and that will give us a clue of what's coming next. That will no longer be accurate because if you've made a custom arrangement, then it's jumping around. However, you can tell from looking in this arrangement section what is coming next. I'll go ahead and take it to the end here and see if, I think I just lost the customer. And so it might be somewhat abrupt going out of the end of that verse into that chorus. And so then what I would do is maybe just consider continuing on in that chorus. Let's go back to the arrangement. Instead of doing a new arrangement, we want to open the existing arrangement that we just made. And we want to change it. And how we want to do that is I don't want to go to the third chorus anymore. I'm going to remove that section. and I'm going to remove the link section. So I'm going to go from the verse right into the chorus this time, as if it would go normally, because I like the transition from the intro into the verse, but I want to go from the verse into the chorus that naturally follows. So I save this arrangement, and I'm just going to call it the same thing as this one, and overwrite the old one. Save arrangement, and go back, and it should be this same exact one. Use this set. Take a look here and see if we got a shorter list. Yes, we did. So the arrangement is now going to go from the count in to the intro to that verse directly, and then continue out through the rest of the song. Again, during the song, if I decide to loop one of these sections, I can still loop it, and it'll come back to where it was in the section. That's a little different than it was in version 3. Now, if you take a detour and come back, it'll come back to the right place. But I advise you to test it before you do it in front of the congregation. Sing through it. See if it feels right. And if it doesn't, you can go back and change it again. Make a different custom arrangement. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Flyworship.com